Hey there mga my loves, Aquarius! Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, reminders muna us na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think are for you. And ang content natin, okay, is we're gonna take a look at, no, sa dinami-dami ng mga plano nitong person na to, no, ano nga ba yung pinakagagawin niya dyan? No? Yung gagawa talaga siya ng action. Yung gagawin niya talaga involving you guys, no? So that's what we're gonna find out. So this could be someone here specific, no, na iniisip mo, but this could be anyone here clinging strongly or intensely sa yung energy. So before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome dito sa channel na to at sa mga returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay nyo sa akin. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's get into this reading. So, Spirit and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Aquarian people. This is for Aquarius. Can you please show me ano po sa mga pinakaplano nitong person na to, yung gagawin niya? So, whoever this person is, ano po sa mga plano niya yung gagawin niya talaga? Yan. Involving my Aquarius people. And can you please show me something about this person here as well? Aquarius. Aquarius. Okay, so let's go ahead, Aquarius, and check these messages here for ya, guys. Ilatag na muna natin here sa ating table. So you do have here this Ace of Coins. Star. Beautiful. High Priestess. Queen of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Wands. Two of Wands, Ace of Cups, double. Four of Coins, and there's this Knight of Pentacles energy. So this person here is telling me that you change his or her life. Posibleng meron kang nagawa sa kanya dito, baka may binago ka sa buhay niya daw. Baka siya to na parang nung dumating ka, gumanda yung takbo ng buhay niya. At kung may mga bisyo man siya, parang unti-unti niya yung binago, or inaalis, or inalis. May ganun. So, kung sino tong person na to, maybe you started as friends. Okay? Maybe this is not love at first sight. But this is something here na pwedeng pinapakita rin sa akin na pwedeng hindi kayo nag-start as friends talaga. Pero during getting to know each other, parang kayo ay friend. Or parang nung kayo, no, is parang friend kayo. Or baka friend kayo kahit may relationship kayo. 'Di ba? Pag when you say a friend, nasasabihan mo ng problema mo, nasisharean mo ng lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, no? Kahit na um, hindi ito problema or kahit ito ay isang bagay lang na nangyari sa'yo throughout the day, kinikwento mo sa kanya or napagsasabihan mo. You feel comfortable with this person here and this person also feels comfortable sa'yo, Aquarius. So this could be something here that just started, could be getting to know this person here, but everything is doing well, just fine. Everything is great. Everything is falling into order. It's to its place. And whoever this individual is, if this is something here that is nagsisimula pa lang, pwedeng ito ay bagong relationship or feels like new. Baka bago pa lang kayong naging kayo. So, kung sino man yung energies na nakaka-resonate rito, no, this person here loves you, likes you so much. And this person here starts to get serious sa'yo. Okay? Araw-araw, nagiging seryoso yung energy niya sa'yo. Araw-araw, mas nakikita niya rito na parang mas mabilis or mas malapit niyang maabot yung mga pangarap niya because andyan ka sa buhay niya. In short, you are his or her inspiration. or nagsimula siya magkaroon ng inspirasyon sa buhay niya. May mga pangarap siya noon, pero parang ang layo-layo nun or parang ang hirap abutin. No? Pero after meeting you, it seems like everything here falls into its proper places. It seems like yung mga wish niyo isabot kamay lang. Ang dali abutin. Because you give him or her a lot of strength. This person is showing me a lot of love for you. You could be far away physically from each other, but the love is there. Could be an LDR situation here. Maybe wala pang kayo, pero kahit malayo yung distansya ninyo ngayon, you're still connecting strongly with each other. A lot of love. Flowing here, flowing here. Okay? So, parehas kayo nag-give ng love. Both are generous enough to show love for each other. And there are actions being taken here, but I'm also seeing that both of you could be busy doing here other things. Busy sa work, busy sa personal life, baka yung iba nag-aaral, or yung iba may inaasikasong negosyo while doing his or her work, but there's love. LDR man kayo nitong tao na to or hindi kayo nakakapagkita ngayon, no, dahil busy kayo, but there's strong communication. Okay? Alam mo naman, uso ngayon, no, online, no, palitan ng mensahe, video call, no, kahit na you're not physically together, you can be able to see and express your love para sa isa't isa, no? Through the use of a lot of social media platforms. Could be Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, direct message, Telegram, Threads, TikTok, yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, patuloy ang pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa. So, this person here, marami siyang plano for you guys sa future. This person here, sobrang siyang in love sa'yo. Maybe you do not know na sobrang siyang in love sa'yo, but with the devil right next to the Ace of Cups, this is something here bigger than what you knew already. So I do pick up that this person here loves you so much, mas higit pa sa kung paano mo siya love. And even though for others of you, this is just a connection here that just had started recently, this has a strong potential to grow. Okay? To grow many years. Yan. And it could be decades. So which means this connection is strong enough na mag-flourish ang inyong connection beautifully, no? Throughout the years, throughout the decades na pagsasaluhan ninyo. So it also an indication right here that this is a strong love commitment. Yan. Nothing to bother. But for some reason, yung action na pinapakita sa akin dito na gagawin ng person na to sa'yo, Aquarius, is to invest in putting a strong foundation sa inyong connection to build that legacy. So this person here is making ipon, a lot of money, and this person will surprise you. Marriage. This person will build his or her life around your world because you are now his or her world. Being a part of your life is the most grateful thing that has ever happened in his or her life. Marriage is part of his or her big plans para sa inyong dalawa in the future. No matter how he or she can definitely do it, he or she will definitely do it. Saving a lot of money for the future. This person wants to marry you, to settle down and give you the life that you deserve, because this person is looking at you as the star. The star right next to the high priestess is an indication that your person is seeing you as the one meant para sa kanya. The one that is definitely nakatadhana para sa kanya. This person is not hesitating any back and forth decision because he or she will always make a decision in moving forward with the relationship sa'yo. So which only means Tower energy, Knight of Pentacles, Four of Coins, Ace of Pentacles. This person will definitely do everything. Makaipon ng malaki. Makasama ka. Magtayo ng business kasama ka para hindi na siya malayo sa'yo kung LDR man ito. This person wants to stay beside you. This person here, he or she feels like every day, kailangan niyang i-survive yung araw-araw. Okay? Na hindi ka niya nakakasama physically. So this person here will not go far away from you, no? This person here will go back at magtatayo na lang siya ng negosyo here with you para makasama ka niya. If LDR kayo. Or if not, this person here will maximize yung opportunity niya kung nasan man siya ngayon, no? And will gather a lot of strength to make that malaking ipon or savings, no? Para mapaghandaan ng future ninyong dalawa and the future of your kids or children. Okay? Or if you have a child or you are may anak na ngayon, or kahit wala, okay? This person here wants to build a home and a family with you. And this is a consistent action na gagawin niya. Kaya kung nasan man siya ngayon or may oportunidad ng pera or related sa kaperahan, negosyo, trabaho, gagawin niya ang buong makakaya niya. Seven of Wands energy. To fulfill his or her desire, his or her dream, his or her wish to come true, and that is to give you the life na ini-imagine niya ngayon. The life that you will no longer maghahanap ng kahit na ano. The life that is so satisfying. Even though you just want here a life together with this person will offer you comfortable life kasama siya. Wow, this person here is really in love with you. And he or she is really responsible dito. No? Gusto niya talagang ibigay sa'yo yung buhay na yan. Kaya gagawa siya, no? No matter what action it is, basta dadalhin siya nun sa kanya rito na dreams and goals in life, even though it's step by step, step by step, step by step process. This person here will grab every opportunity para mabigyan kanya rito ng buhay na komportable. Buhay na ini-imagine niya sa kanyang vision. No? That's what this person here wants. And this person here is doing that because of love. He or she loves you so much that he or she will do everything that he or she can to be able na magawa ang lahat ng ito para sa'yo. Yeah, hindi mo yun hinihiling sa kanya. But that person will definitely give that to you. And that is something here that masusurpresa ka. Kasi maybe this is the first time you experience this type of love. Maybe you had been from those relationships that, yeah, they value you, pero hindi kagaya ng effort ng taong ito. This person's effort is really extra mile. So, nakita ko rito that this is something here that you will keep. I'm seeing you grabbing this person's hair, yung hand niya, to this forever thing, to this so-called love thing. And both of you will definitely start your life together. Start to build that house that you can call home. Start to create that family or dagdagan pa ang inyong mga children here. Everything that he or she is also wanting for your future together, it will start happening. And it will all start because of love. I know I'm just stating the person's love for you, declaring his or her love for you. That's what I'm seeing from here. So, kung sino man yung nakaka-resonate dito, I know that your person, ramdam mo yung kanya ritong pagsusumikap for you and for your future family or for your family, whatever. But this person here, you do not really understand the extent of his or her love for you. That's why this person here is declaring this reading for him or her to be able to reach to your, okay, to your heart, no, yung pinaka-bottom ng heart mo, no, to show you that his or her love for you is more than what you already know. Wow! So, yun yung pinaka-gagawin niyang action. Ipon galore, making this happen, ayaw niya itong manatiling pangarap lang, and lahat yan, gagawin niya. Is step by step, steps by steps process. Diba? So yeah, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha ko here coming from your person, Aquarius. This is a very romantic one, no? Na pwedeng hindi lang niya ni-express ngayon or hindi siya very expressive sa ganun. Pero grabe yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, like, no? Sa, ano talaga, bikini bottom. SpongeBob. Sa pinakailalim talaga ng bottom ng heart niya. Yan, no? So, ayan ang mga nakuha nating mensahe coming from your person here. Sarang Heyo Love in Life, please check out other channel. The link is down sa description box. Sarang Heyo and Love and Light. Annyeong!